What is distance? Total length of the journey is called distance, or total distance traveled by an object from one place to another is called distance. Its unit is meter. What is displacement? The shortest distance between 2 points is called displacement. The minimum distance from one point to another point is called displacement, or the shortest and straight line distance between 2 points is called displacement. Here 2 points means initial position and final position. Distance na enna? Initial position la irundhu final position அடைய இங்க இந்த பிக்சர்ல A ல இருந்து B அடைய நாம பயன்படுத்திய பயண பாதையின் தூரம் distance. Actual length of the path traveled by a moving body is called distance. Actual length of the path, பயண பாதையின் தூரம். Actual length of the path traveled by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance. Displacement na enna? Initial position la irundhu நாம எவ்வளவு தூரத்துல இருக்கோம் ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் டைரக்ஷன்ல, இனிஷியல் பொசிஷன்ல இருந்து நாம ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்ட இடத்துல இருந்து எவ்வளவு தூரம் நகர்ந்திருக்கோம் ஒரு பர்టిక్యులர் டைரக்ஷன்ல, அதான் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட். டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்றது? By joining the initial position and final position with a straight line gives displacement. Displacement calculate பண்ணனும்னாக்கா initial positionல இருந்து final positionக்கு ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா ஒரு லைன் வரைஞ்சாக்கா எவ்வளவு வேல்யூ கிடைக்குமோ அத டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மென்ட்டை நாம எடுத்துக்கலாம். The shortest and straight line distance between initial and final points is called displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is a vector quantity. What is scalar and vector quantity? Physical quantities. Physical quantities na enna? Anything that can be measurable is called physical quantities. நாம எதெல்லாம் அளக்க முடியுமோ அதெல்லாம் physical quantities னு சொல்லலாம். Okay, scalar quantities, vector quantities. What is scalar quantity? Scalar quantity have only magnitude and take no direction, whereas vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. If direction is not specified, then that is scalar quantity. If direction is not specified, then that quantity is called scalar quantity. If direction is specified, then that quantity is called as vector quantity. நாம சிலதை அளந்து எழுதுறப்ப டைரக்ஷனை சேர்த்து எழுதலை அப்படின்னாக்கா அது பேர் ஸ்கேலார் குவான்டிட்டி. நம்ம டைரக்ஷனை சேர்த்தும் எழுதுகிறோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா அதுக்கு பேர் வெக்டார் குவான்டிட்டி. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் length, mass, time takes no direction. We never use direction when we measure length. We never say 5 kg north, 230 pm south. Whereas whenever we measure displacement, velocity, it is must that direction should be mentioned. Speed is a scalar quantity. It takes only magnitude, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. It takes both magnitude and direction. Magnitude means numerical value. Practice question. Length of the running track is 400 meter. An athlete starts from point A and finishes at the same point. What is the distance and the displacement covered by the athlete? Distance covered by the athlete is 400 meter because he has completed one revolution, which is equivalent to length of the track. So the distance traveled by him is 400 meter. His displacement is 0. What is displacement? The shortest distance between initial position and final position. His initial position and final position are same, so his displacement is 0. Today's homework: learn and write the definition of distance and displacement. Thank you, students.